Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss another update from India Forums.
When you grow old, it does come, it does show on your face. So, before you turn 30, in your 29 or 28, apply, old age, skin protecting and skin maintaining your skin is very important. So, apply those kind of products. Hi, this is Kaveri Priyam and I'm doing Skincare 101 with India Forum.
Kaveri, tell us about your skincare routine.
Getting up in the morning, rubbing ice on my face to go do away with all the puffiness that is there. Then, of course, washing your face every 5-6 hours. If you're not shooting, if I'm not shooting, that is there. Then applying sunscreen is a must. Toner is a must before sleeping. When I get back home from shoot, then of course face wash is mandatory. And if I have enough time, I like to apply homemade kuch face pack. Yeah, sometimes if I don't have that much of time, then there are ready-made face packs available and sheet masks, so you can use that. And basically, it is to just rejuvenate your skin and help it relax after long hours of work and applying makeup. So that is what I do.
One product you absolutely love.
One product I absolutely love is on cameras. Before going on the cameras, in front of the cameras, I love a product which जिसमें ना वो sheen जिससे sheen add होता है face पे. I won't name the brand, but I love such products that add sheen to your face.
Skincare journey from teens until now.
When I was a teen, I literally did not take care of myself that much. I was into studies and completely into them. But as I grew older, I understood the importance of skincare and. I think it is very basic. Bachpan mein obviously my mom used to take care of my skin a lot, but once you're on your own and away from family, you just tend to live the life the way you want to, and you forget all of that. But then when now though it is mandatory stuff to do.
Okay, one skincare step you can't leave the house without.
I think recently I found this out that applying ice on my face really helps me with the puffiness. So I think that is something. And then obviously applying skincare, sunscreen before leaving my house.
Okay, something related to skincare that has backfired.
No, not until now.
Okay, one ritual that has changed your skincare game.
I think applying toner and icing.
Okay, one unpopular skincare opinion.
One unpopular skincare opinion. When somebody has got a good skin already, they tend to, not take it so seriously and they think that, it will always remain the same, but that is not the truth. When you grow old, it does come, it does show on your face. So, before you turn 30, in your 29 or 28, apply, old age, skin protecting and skin maintaining your skin is very important. So, apply those kind of products.
Okay, one skincare concern that has ever made you conscious.
Skincare concern that has ever made me conscious. I think pimples.
Okay,
Pimples are something which you really don't want, and they're quite visible at times.
okay, one home remedy you swear by.
Applying this haldi and honey.
Okay, preventions to save skin from daily makeup.
There's so many that I've already told. Yeah, but sunscreen is a must because that obviously protects your skin from further damage. And of course, when you are on screen, in front of so much of harsh light, then I think that really helps.
Okay. One tip you have inherited from your mother or your grandmother?
Always moisturize your skin before sleeping.
Okay. One tip you wish to give your fans, skincare tip.
One skincare tip that I would like to give my fans. I've given them so many tips, but I think I always believe कि जो घर के नुस्खे होते हैं that are way more effective than chemical based products. So even if you can rub the fruit that you're eating, even that over a period of time makes your skin much better. So basically, this was my skincare journey, but everybody has a different journey and different skin types, and varying on that, you can obviously change your regime and do stuff accordingly.